oedden ni'n siarad a oedd dy Miles app chat GPT. A ni fel, dyma beth mae fe'n gallu gwneud. Oedd fel, wel fi'n defnyddio fe i coda apps. A ni fel, okay, fi ddim angen hwnna. A wedyn, oedd e fel, but it can speak like every language. A ni fel, like,
Surely
like
ddim
well
Cymraeg.
though, cos ni fel, mae'r peth yma gyda Cymraeg, maen nhw wastad way ar ei hôl i'n dydyn. Wel. Na ti fraw gysi. Achos...
Yn i'n gallu trio...
Ti'n fi,
mae gen i'r app.
OK, trio fe.
Ti'n be na i ofyn fel, describe pob Look Big podcast neu rhywbeth?
Never know. Be?
Pob Look Babe is a Welsh language podcast that combines humour, pop culture and light-hearted discussions hosted by two Welsh-speaking presenters. The show features a mix of personal anecdotes, witty commentary, diolch, and conversation about various topics such as current events, relationships and everyday life. The hosts often bring a blend of relatability and humour to their discussions, making it popular with listeners who appreciate both the Welsh language and an entertaining take on everyday topics.
Ife ti sy'n di sgwennu hwnna?
Ti sy'n dawto ChatGPT.
Mae hwnna'n
a maen nhw newydd disgrifio.
Ni ddim di sgwennu hwnna ar y we yn unrhyw le.
Ond maen nhw wedi galw ni'n witty, babe.
So, basically, ChatGPT, a world of opportunity, ond actually...
Scary.
Bit scary,
Bit scary.
Bit scary. So, yeah.
Wow.
Gawn ni weld beth sy'n digwydd gyda hwnna.
Yeah. Gawn ni weld beth sy'n digwydd gyda AI. Keep your eyes peeled, guys. AI seems to be getting bigger.
Nawr ni check yn ôl wythnos nesaf i roi update ar beth sy'n digwydd yn AI.